Looking for architectural and construction drawings? For your dream house or renovation? For building permit? For AutoCAD drafting work or DXF for laser cut CNC machine? We're offering floor plan designing with furniture layout, working drawing dimension, elevations and sections, master plan or site plan, landscaping, PDF hand sketch to CAD drawing. Here are some examples of work. Why choose us? High quality and professional drawing, 100% satisfaction guaranteed, affordable prices. Our job is to make you 100% satisfied and manage a successful project together. Let us inform if you have any query. Discover us at Fiverr.com